This ultra-portable handheld welding machine delivers extreme mobility through compact design, enabling operation from anywhere household electricity exists, requiring only standard 110V outlet. The adjustable 20 to 120 ampere output accommodates diverse welding requirements from delicate repairs through substantial structural work. The IGBT inverter technology provides stable arc performance and consistent weld quality throughout operational range. The integrated hot start functionality enables confident arc initiation, while anti-stick technology prevents electrode adhesion complications. We share by links in description box. The super lightweight 3.8-pound construction enables comfortable single-handed carrying throughout work sites and challenging environments. The 360-degree cooling system maintains operational thermal performance throughout marathon welding sessions without overheating compromise. The compatibility with 3/32 inch to 1/8 inch welding rods provides substantial electrode selection flexibility. The built-in safety protections, including overheat monitoring and overcurrent protection, ensure reliable operation. The compact packaging enables storage within toolboxes or truck beds without excessive space consumption. The exceptional portability enables field repairs and emergency welding operations. The straightforward operation simplifies procedure, enabling rapid skill acquisition. The outstanding value, combining extreme portability, 20 to 120 ampere capability, built-in safety, and budget-friendly pricing, establishes this welder as exceptional choice for mobile welders and field professionals prioritizing maximum portability.